comes like dealing with people and kindness and not angry or with passion, is it like because you see some people like I think naturally they are grow up like this. Does it has to do with the way they're raised or genetically like this or will they live in environment?
It's both nature and nurture.
Did I see some like
Yes, there's some people Allah has created them calm, but a lot of it is a learned behavior. إنما العلم بالتعلم وإنما الحلم بالتحلم. So the hadith tells you knowledge comes from learning.